Okay guys, so basically as you can see, I got tomato, mixed peppers, red onion and spring onion. I'm going to be making a nice lovely dish this evening, and I'm going to show you how you can do this one. It's going to be making from, I think, let's take out the... Okay, so I'm going to be using mackerel fillet in tomato sauce, high in omega-3, high in protein. Now the reason why I'm going to show you how to do this, okay, and watch the video to the end, because it is important for you to see exactly what I've been doing. Okay guys, now I like the sardine but I don't have any. Let's do this. Beautiful thing, medium size pot. Second, oil. I'm using olive oil, which is more healthier and better. Next, vegetables, and we're going to put the vegetables in the pot. Okay, this is what you want to do. Alright, so you guys can see how that looks. Oh, my hand looks so white. Alright, excellent. So that's what you want to see right here. And that looks amazing and fantastic. Look at that. Beautiful vegetables. And that's the vegetables. All of my vegetables which I've been using. See you guys. So I'm going to leave this for a few more seconds. So we're going to put a little bit of season in it. Alright, just to bring in a little bit of flavor. Also some basil. And paprika. Excellent. Little bit of turmeric. You don't have to, that's option. And we're going to put, this is some mixed herb. Beautiful recipe, very simple, and you will see how I share it up. And give it a mix. Wow. Look at that. That looks amazing. Alright guys, so you can see that looks amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to get this right here, tips. Okay, it's a little bit hot. I'm going to put some inside of it also, not too much. This is very good, guys. Very, very good in your fish dishes when you're making at home. Just a few inside of it. So I'm going to put, that's the mackerel inside. All right. Excellent. So I'm going to put pepper. No, that's, sorry guys, that's salt. So pepper. Okay, and I'm going to turn off the cooker and then give it a mix. Look at that. Amazing and fantastic. Over here, that's the vegetables. So we're just gonna leave that for a few minutes. So you guys can see that it's just steaming there at the moment. Alright? Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take it off the heat because this is finished, and also the broccoli and the carrot is finished also. So we're gonna take both of them, we're gonna serve it up. Okay, so we got some avocado, and this is some broccoli. We're gonna put on the plate. All right. Yeah, broccoli is amazing, guys. I eat broccoli almost every day. And cauliflower and all of these things is just one of those things. I got some baby corn and green bean also. Okay, but I'm just simply showing you what you guys can do at home if you like to. You don't have to make this a kind of dish if you don't want to, okay? But I'm just giving you a little bit of ideas and tips what you guys can do at home. All right, now lots of people will be having this with rice. Okay, yeah, rice, but I'm showing you how I definitely have my meal and why it is so important for us to you know what I mean, cook like this sometime. It's not gonna be every time, but at least sometime. All right, remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon. Okay, it's not going to be like that every day, but at least guys, you're trying your best to make it happen as much as you can. Okay, yeah. And I'm going to tell you, this is one of the best meal you can ever have at home. If you are looking for something fantastic and then amazing, then this goes down really well for you. All right, yeah. So if you guys are looking for something amazing and you want to try something different, this goes for you. Believe me, I cooked it before, I tried it before, and it was delicious. Look at that, beautiful, simple, and an amazing and fantastic. All right, a good vibes. This video will be right on my cooking show here, Chef Ricardo Cooking, so you need to watch it, okay, and see how I make it from start to finish. Beautiful dish. So if you like this kind of food, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and we have a lot more recipes coming out for you guys. Have a beautiful evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you with part 2. Bye bye for now.